If starting from scratch, here's how to land your first digital marketing client in just 7 days. Many beginners believe a website or certifications are necessary. You can succeed from zero. They aren't. Follow these straightforward steps, beginning with commitment. Step 1. Identify your niche. Research the needs of clients and create a simple offer. Define your outreach strategy. Pick one simple service. Social media management, local SEO, short-form video editing, running basic ads. It's the best option now, short-form content for businesses. It's in high demand, easy to learn, and yields fast results. Step 2. Find easy clients. Look for opportunities like bad content, no videos, or low engagement. Reach out where beginners succeed: friends, family, forums, Instagram, TikTok, and local businesses. Step 3. Pitch your services. Create simple offers. Personalize your message for higher response rates. Try this. I noticed your page. I made a video showing how short-form content can attract more customers. Want to see it? Step 4. Create quick value. Make a simple portfolio using tools like CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT. Offer one sample post, content idea, or improvement suggestion to showcase your skills. Step 5. Close your first client. Offer something simple like, I can create short-form videos 3 times a week for $100 per month. Don't overprice it. Your goal is experience and proof. Follow up on your pitches. Clients appreciate reminders. Your enthusiasm shines through. You don't have to be perfect. You need action, consistency, and basic systems. Be prepared to adapt and learn. To find your first client in 7 days, identify your niche, research client, create a portfolio network, pitch your services. Follow up. Celebrate small wins. Success takes time. Each no brings you closer to a yes. Resilience is vital. Are you ready to take action? Start today. Implement these steps. Your first client is close. Thank you for watching. For more beginner-friendly money-making tips, subscribe. Hit the notification bell for updates. Every journey begins with a first step, especially in digital marketing. It's about laying a foundation for growth and ongoing success. Each outreach and pitch builds confidence and skill. Maintain a mindset focused on learning and feedback. Seek opportunities in unexpected places. With determination and a plan, success is within reach. Refine your process and stay committed to your goals. Each interaction is valuable. Each no gets you closer to a yes. Embrace your creativity and present unique solutions to potential clients. Always nurture relationships with clients. Understand their needs and be genuinely helpful. By creating trust, you will build lasting connections. Your journey to success starts with a clear plan. Stay flexible and ready to adapt. Meet client expectations while continuously improving your skills. Deliver value and forge relationships beyond transactions. This will lead to greater achievements in digital marketing. Embrace growth and discover opportunities. Each month will be a learning experience that builds your confidence. Reflect on what works as you connect with clients. Celebrate progress and remain patient. Persistence is key to success in digital marketing. Engage authentically with your network, showing real interest. Your journey is just beginning, and each step gets you closer to your goals. Stay adaptable and seek opportunities to add value. The foundation you create today leads to future successes and relationships. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more beginner-friendly ways to make money online, subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss enhance our future content. See you in the next one.